How to share posts in Tumblr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. So now we're inside the app. Here I'm in my home page. So basically this is the place where you can find all your feed and different posts from different people. Now you can simply select the post that you want to share. So here I'm tapping on one, and here on the bottom you can see this share button. Simply tap on this share button. So this is the place where you can share it with others. Here you can directly copy the link, or you can directly share it with other people through social media platforms. Now you can simply send it to friends and other people add it with you, and they can easily view the post. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.